we got right here. He went to the Magic, I believe. Yep, Orlando Magic. John Starks, Jim Jackson, Dean Garrett, Vince Carter, another Vince, John Wallace. John Wallace was another really good college player, played for Syracuse, Player of the Year in 1995, 96. Back when that was the year that they got beat by Kentucky in the national championship game, 76-67. Still remember the score of that. Still remember that game. Got another insert here. Got Gary Payton, Eric Murdoch. There's White Chocolate. Base of Jason Williams. Ben Wallace. Big Ben. I always liked him. Let's flip it around here. The bottom card fell off pretty good. I think this is another Patriarch, I believe, Nick Van Exel. So, hoping for the Shaq if it is. But definitely we'll take an Akeem or a David Robinson. All right, now don't start doing this. I saw it, so it's the thrill's over for me. It's not the Shaq. It's not a Patriarch. It's actually a Fresh Foundations of Michael Dickerson. Michael Dickerson. It's a good looking card. Very good looking card. Like I said, he's definitely not. He wasn't not a player that we're looking for in this, but there he is again. Played for the Rockets. There's his base in there with it. He did have a decent rookie campaign. Averaged 11 points a game his rookie season with Houston, but I don't ever remember hearing about him really doing anything past that point. Michael Olowokandi, he was a former #1 pick for the Clippers. Stork, Brent Barry, Bison Dale, Delay. David Robinson. And what a career he had, too. Great player. Class act, too. Brian Grant. LJ, they're my favorite player with the Knicks. Yeah, people don't really. I mean, that point right there, he was 8 years into his career, and he had over 10,000 points. Larry was still a good player even after he got hurt. After he had back surgery in '94. Reese Taylor, Glenn Rice, the Lakers. Bobby Jackson and Sam Mitchell. Sam Mitchell go back to the Wolves? He did. I knew he went to the Pacers for a little while. He went back to the Wolves. Someone we hadn't got yet. Kevin Garnett. We hadn't got Kobe either. We still have not got the bases of Garnett and Kobe, but we did get the Kobe insert. There's another Hakeem. Got an insert in here. Looks like it might be a draft pick. Mookie Blaylock, Mark Jackson, Billy Owens. It peeled off pretty easy. It may not. I don't know. It may not be. We'll see. Kenny Anderson. Vlade Divac. Alvin Williams. Travis Best. Matt Harping. And our card is a draft pick. Elton Brand. Elton Brand. I believe he was number 1 with the Bulls. Yep, number 1 draft pick that year. Elton Brand. Okay, got another insert in this one too. AC Green, Tony Petit, Luke Longley. It's starting to get low. I believe this is another record numbers. We've already got the Kobe, the Keem. So we'll flip that over real quick. Isaiah Ryder, Mark Bryan on the back. Be something to get 2 Kobe's out of the same box. Antonio Daniels, Glenn Robinson, Charlie Ward, as I said earlier, former Heisman Trophy winner, Don Reed. Oh, we got the Duncan. We got the Duncan record numbers. So we got the Kobe and the Timmy. Kobe and Tim in record numbers insert. So we have got 4 really good inserts. Or well, we got 3 good inserts and 1 with that Jason Kidd autograph is insane that we actually pulled a 1 in 877 pack card. Like I said, I've never pulled a card out of a box with those odds. I've pulled some 1 in 100s before. I can't remember what the silver refractor used to be in the 96-97 finest, but I pulled 3 of them. I pulled the Horace Grant, the Oliver Miller, and Michael Jordan. That was back a long time ago, though, 23 years ago whenever I pulled that Jordan. I still remember it like it was yesterday. I wished I'd have held on to that card now and got it graded. Theo Ratliff, Horace Grant. Speaking of Horace, there he is. Penny, Juwan Howard, Jason Cappy, Brent Price, Grant Hill, P.J. Brown, Darrell Armstrong, and Ron Harper. Like I said, still no Garnett or Kobe. We're getting doubles and triples of several different players, but like I said, still no Garnett or Kobe in the base. I'm looking through the checklist here. And that might be why they're not even in Series 1. The bases. Nope, they're not. They are not in Series 1 base. So you've got to get them in the inserts. Yep, you got to get them in the inserts. Well, that would explain. Here's a bonus I have to get Series 2 now. Bobby Fields, Cornell David, Alonzo, Jalen Rose, Terry Cummings, Jason Kidd. Last time we got Jason Kidd, there was the Jason Kidd. The Jason Kidd base was followed up by the Jason Kidd autograph. Nick Van Exel, Sean Kemp, Joe Smith, and Eric Williams. We've definitely gotten our money's worth out of this box. We got the money's worth out of several boxes with that Jason Kidd autograph pull. Like I said, that is a huge card. Stephon Marbury. Got a nice insert here. Eric Murdoch. Allen Iverson. I believe this is Ben Wallace, Percy Hawkins, and I already seen it. This is a season's best, Stephon Marbury. Glare on it. I apologize about the glare. Derek Kittles, George Lynch, Antonio Daniels, Del Curry, Kendall Gill. Insert in here. We've pretty much pulled all the base cards in the set, so I'm gonna try to get through these pretty quick. Get down to the inserts. Here's a Richard Hamilton. There's a good one. Richard Hamilton draft pick. There we go. Rip. I wonder why they didn't put Kobe. I didn't see Tracy McGrady in there either on the checklist. I wonder why they didn't put Kobe, T-Mac, and Kevin Garnett on the base cards for this. It's kind of odd. Paul Pierce. Like I said, if we were to stomp right here, I'd be tickled to death with what I've already pulled with the Kobe and the Jason Kidd autograph. I can't stress that enough. It was 1 in 877 packs. That's over 20 boxes. 25, right at 25 boxes. 1 in 25 boxes. And we got one. Got another insert coming up here. Try to at least make it somewhat suspenseful here. since we're getting some pretty decent, since we've got a couple of pretty decent cards. Also, too, a couple of good rookies. All right. Juwan Howard, picture perfect. Part of the Juwan Howard, part of that good 94, 95 draft class. A lot of them players stuck around a long time. Okay, there's Weber, Shaq. Weber and Shaq. Sean Leonard, John Stockton. No, baby. And Derek Harper. All right, we're down to the last stack here. Down to the last stack. Let's see what we can get. Like I said, we've already gotten the Jason Kidd autograph. I doubt that we'll get lucky enough to have a second one in there. We got the Kobe record numbers. Tim Duncan record numbers. So we've got 2 record numbers. I think we've actually got 3 record numbers. There's a picture perfect of Juwan Howard, one draft pick. Season's best. Fresh Foundation, another draft pick. Just 2 picture perfects. Got the Akeem record numbers. Another draft pick, Far Test. Patriarch. So there should still be, there's a picture perfect of Shaq and Jason Terry. So there should be, according to this, we've got 3 record numbers. So we've gotten all of our record numbers that we should get. There should be 2 more seasons best. Patriarchs, we're not guaranteed any more of them. Picture perfect's 1 in 8. So there should be at least 1 more picture perfect, possibly 2. Have not got a Prodigy. The Prodigy, unless this was it right here, unless this. Wait, this was the season's best. There, okay, I see it now, how it's written. So it just has different things written on it. So the Michael Dickerson and Stephon Marbury are 2 of the season's best that we've gotten. So there should be 1 more season's best and 1 Prodigy left. And a perfect picture left. So, of course, with the Prodigy, there's a chance of it being a refractor. And there, the Kobe isn't it, the Garnett, the Duncan. It doesn't look like it's going to be in this pack, though. So all in all, I'm very, very thrilled with this box. Very thrilled with this purchase. I'm not going to. Oh, well, there's our other picture perfect. Didn't think there was an insert in there. It's hiding on me. Alonzo Mourning. So our 4 picture perfects there. Bryce Hill. P.J. Brown. Darrell Armstrong and Ron Harper. Like I said, looking for that prodigy now. The prodigy is the one we're looking for. It'd be nice to maybe get another Patriarch. And we should have another season's best. And the draft picks are 1 and 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should at least get one more draft pick. Like we might have. We got something in here. Got an insert. No David. Sean Kemp. White Chocolate. Jason Williams. Eric Williams. Brian Grant. Bobby Fields. Alonzo Mourning. Jalen Rose. Terry Cummins. Jason. Last time we got the kid, we had the autograph. I know that ain't going to happen. It's another season's best. And it is of Steve Smith. Good looking card, though. Season's best card. These are the inserts in this, especially the Patriarchs and the season's best. There's some nice inserts in this. Nice looking inserts, I will say. But nothing any better looking than that autograph. I'm gonna be raving about that for. Ooh, what? That kind of had a odd feel to it. I think we've got an insert in here. In fact, I know we do. There's an insert. I can see the darker color. Don't know if that is a die cut. It's a die cut. There's a die cut of something in here. Didn't know there was die cuts unless it's the just how that series is. Okay. All right, Bryant Reeves, you're going to have to take a back seat now. Kendall Gill. Be the Kobe. Be the Kobe. Del Curry. Antonio McDaniels. George Lynch. All right, here we go. Kerry Kittles. Mike Bibby. Mike Bibby, Prodigy. Non-refractor. Still, that is a nice looking card. Maybe I was wanting too much. Maybe I should have just said, give me the Garnett or the Duncan. I'm wishing too much here after the Kobe. All right, so there's our Prodigy. I know it is still possible to get a Prodigy refractor, but the likelihood of that is slim to none considering what was already in this box. So we should, like I said, we've got possibly another picture perfect, possibly another Patriarch. Should have another number 1 draft pick too. And the rate we've been getting inserts in these packs, which has really been in about 1 and 2 pack, 1 in every other pack has gone insert. So we might have the possibility of hitting a couple more. Speaking of, there's our other. We knew we was going to get another draft pick. There's the Baron Davis, Charlotte Hornets. So we got some of the better rookies out of this year. We got probably the best ones with Sean Marion, Baron Davis, Ron Artest. We definitely Richard Hamilton. We definitely got the Elton Brand. We definitely got the good ones, which is awesome. Like I said, this has been a very good box. Would have been awesome to have gotten this box back 20 years ago when some of these guys like Mike Bibby was a big name back then, good player back then. His cards were sought after, especially inserts, and that would have been one of the higher end ones, being a 1 in 36 pull. All right, Weber, Ilgauskas, Paul Pierce, Aaron Jackson, Derek Fisher, Rashawn Leonard, Calvin Chaney, Michael Dickerson, Cedric Henderson, Raffle France, and Wesley Person. So we got 3 more packs. Maybe another picture perfect in there, maybe another Patriarch, and possibly another draft pick. So who knows? We might get lucky. Get another insert. Glenn Rice, Reese Taylor, Larry Johnson, Sean Elliott, Sprewell, Eddie Jones, Brent Barry, Shaq. Always take a Shaq. I like that card. That's just the base, but Shaq doing what Shaq did best, dominating the interior. Not seeing another insert. Maybe they've got one stashed away in the last pack. Who knows? Who knows? I have gotten last pack Magic before. Like I said, that box of 93, 94 Ultra had the Jordan Power and the key in it. I think I went running through the house and did about 3 or 4 laps around it. And I pulled that card. Like I said, I still get excited opening these. Alright, last pack. Last pack Magic. Okay, we've got an insert. Last pack, and we got an insert. So, let's see what we get here. Come on, guys. So, last pack Magic. Do we get a Kobe, or a Garnett, or a Duncan? Last pack Magic insert. That's the bottom. We got a Garnett. We got a Garnett. Picture perfect. Awesome. Garnett picture perfect. very nice pull for the last pack. Very nice pull for the last pack. All right, so recapping, we got. I'm gonna sleeve these right here. We got the record numbers. Hakeem Olajuwon. We got a record numbers Tim Duncan. Then the big one, record numbers Kobe Bryant. Picture perfect Kevin Garnett. Of course, I didn't bring enough sleeves. Picture perfect Alonzo Mourning. One I was very happy to get here. Picture perfect Shaquille O'Neal. So we did good on the picture perfect. We did really good on our inserts. There's the Shaq. We've got the Ron Mercer, picture perfect. The Juwan Howard, picture perfect. Mike Bibby, Prodigy. The Joe Dumars, Patriarchs. Steve Smith, season's best. So I was a little bit disappointed with our season's best inserts. I still need some more sleeves too. So I'll go down there and get more here in a minute. Stephon Marbury, which that one actually would have been a very good one to have gotten back 20 years ago. And then the Michael Dickerson, season's best. So got those, and go through